Hi guys, so today we'll be seeing how we have purchased one of the deal recently on TradeGrid. So I have already recorded this video while purchasing, and today I'll be playing that video and give a voiceover. So let's start. So this was the deal which I purchased basically on if you see 27 September and if you see I already had 52,000 in my balance, the TradeGrid wallet, and if you see the total amount invested, it is 0 now, and other tiles are also shown as 0. So we'll see how we have proceeded further. So I did the refresh of the page, if you can see. So these were the deals. 2 deals were listed, of which I was comfortable to invest in this particular deal, the second deal, which had 50,000 minimum amount, and the deal duration is 90 days, and the rate of interest is 11.3%. So I'll be investing. I had invested 52,000 here. So let's proceed further. I click on summary. It will give me the snapshot of all the maturity date, the amount which I'll be investing, and the maturity value which I'll be getting on the maturity date. So one thing to notice here is the minimum amount to be invested was 50,000, but I'm investing 52,000 here. So let's proceed further. I'll click on report. Here you can see the report of the deal. So the report is also good. It is showing the repayment was done for this particular company, from this particular company on the due date or before the due date. So the report is good. Let's proceed further. So I have zoomed it a little bit. Yeah, so I'll click on buy now. I'll get a OTP which I need to enter here in order to confirm the deal for purchase. I got the OTP and I pasted it here and I clicked on confirm. But the OTP which I entered was wrong, and also other thing, I got a call in between. So this transaction was not successful altogether. So I went back to the page, or I went back to the deal page to check whether the transaction is successful. So I refreshed it, I clicked on overview tab, and I checked the balance is still showing as 52,000. So that means the amount is not deducted, and in the history tab on the ongoing deal, I'm still seeing no deals present. So it means that the transaction was not successful. So after that, I tried to refresh the deal page. I got one more HCL deal listed on the page, but I'm interested to invest in this third deal. So I'll click buy now again. I clicked on the summary to check whether it is the same deal. The report is also showing same. I clicked on buy now, and this is the second time where I got the OTP. So this time I entered the correct OTP and then confirmed the deal. Once I clicked on it, the deal was purchased successfully. Let me stop on the screen. Yeah. So if you can see, I'm on the history tab here, and here in the ongoing deal, I can see the snapshot of the deal purchased. The amount deployed is 52,000. Maturity amount will be this, interest rate, and the purchased on date, tentative due date, the deal duration. So all this is listed here. Let me proceed further. I clicked on confirm purchase, which led to me a Chrome browser, and I got a confirmation purchase in the PDF file where all the details were listed. Now I again went to the TradeGrid app and if you see, the wallet balance is deducted, but the amount invested is still showing as 0. So this was not reflecting properly at that time. So let me proceed further. I clicked on history. It is showing the ongoing deal, which is the purchase deal. So it was successfully purchased. I also got a WhatsApp message from TradeGrid that this deal purchase was complete, and a few other details. So remember one thing, This deal was not a auto renewal deal, neither a zero cost instant liquidity deal. So that means I'll need to wait for 90 days of the duration to get the amount liquidated. But if you remember, in the earlier videos, I had purchased a deal which was zero cost instant liquidity and auto renewal deal. So where I tried to liquidate the deal before the maturity date. So let me play the video. So this was some other deal which was listed after I have purchased. This seemed to be a good deal, but the tentative due date was 2024. That's why I was not interested in this deal. The deal report is also good, and the best part was it had zero cost instant liquidity deal. But anyways, I have purchased the other deal which we just saw. This was the deal which we purchased. So anyway, let's continue. Yeah, so that's the recording I had. Let me show you the current overview, how the deal is being doing now. So this is the TradeGrid app which I have opened on 1st October, which is like after a few days of purchase. Let me refresh this, and I'll go to the dashboard tab. Okay, so wallet balance is shown as 0. If you click on overview tab, here you can see the wallet balance as 0, and the amount invested, it is now reflecting as 52,000 correctly. And as per that 3-4 days has been passed, the amount invested 52,000 is now being converted to 52,061 rupees as per that annual rate. Let me click on the history tab. Here you can see the snapshot of ongoing deal. So that's all for now. Nowadays we are getting a lot of deals on TradeGrid, but so these are the deals which you can see. So if you are a beginner, try to invest in a deal which has a minimum amount to be deployed required, which will be around 50,000. So try to check only those deals and invest in those. And also, if possible, try to invest only in such deals which has zero cost instant liquidity. You can check my earlier videos. I have done that. So that's all for this video. Let me know in comments if you have any doubts on TradeGrid. Thank you.